This is a monkey right here that wants mom's cookie. Gosh, look at that. I wish those were my feet.
Whoa, what is this one? Yeah, he was coming after your cookie. Okay.
Yeah. There we go.
The tail's a lifesaver for them.
This guy's working for tips. He's trying to put on a show for the cookie.
Might work.
Yeah, it might work.
It could work. Don't feed them.
Depends how much cooler it gets.
Look at that guy just sitting there waiting. Oh yeah, I can throw it in there, but I don't want the monkeys to get it. He said it's fine if bug monkeys are bug monkeys. Oh, Patrick, look at this. Hey! Oh, where's your phone? Mike, Patrick, where's your phone?
Right here. It's out. I'm recording.
Hey, come on.
I'm sticking it right in this guy's face. Like, hey man, what's up?
You might take it out of your hand, baby, when I serve it.
Oh, no. Good, then I'll track him with my Apple Care, whatever it is.
You videotaping him?
Yes.
Cool. This guy's swinging over here.
Oh. Yeah. What's up, my man? Whoa, yeah, you want it. Everybody wants the new iPhone, huh? Ooh. Yeah. Oh, Patrick, heads up. Oh. Oh. I didn't like it. Stinky boy. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't like being surrounded by my people.
I think it's time to go.
Let's go. Okay. Yeah, let's keep moving.